Class 205 two-car DMU set in Connex South Central livery. Here is the end sticker on the box. Bachmann serial number 31-237 ZDS, Class 205 2H Thumper DEMU 205-0112, Kernel MRC exclusive DCC sound. Now the unboxing. Feel the weight. That's the dummy car, and this must be the power car. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. And here is the instructions, which is the standard Bachmann sort of thing. That's a guarantee. It shows the interior and how to dismantle it, and the dip switches which control the functions. If you use this on a non-DCC analog layout, this sheet tells you what these switches do. There's internal exploded diagram. Right, let's get this out of the box. Let's move that away. Right. We've got accessories bag. Undoes the other end. Let's carefully get this out. And it feels quite weighty. Let's do what Sam's Trains does and hold it up and show it to the viewers. Turn it around. And this is the trailer car, which of course is extremely similar. Yes, this is much lighter than the power car. Let's get it on the turntable and get a better look at it. This is the power car. We're going to rotate it round. This is the front of the unit as it would have appeared when in service. It says on the front Class 205-0112, which obviously is the unit they have chosen to model. This triangle on the front denotes the part of the train that has the guards van in it. It's so that station staff would know if they wanted to unload or load something into the train that was the correct part of the train. Something's not used anymore. On here there are these overhead power line warning signs. These brake pipes are quite well modelled and accurate. Here are the ventilation grills for the diesel motor, and that's the guard's van and luggage compartment. And because it's very well executed in the Conic South Central livery. And inside the windows you've got no smoking stickers. Let's go round to the back. There again, you can see it's quite well modelled with the stickers there for the overhead power supply, and the vacuum pipes are well modelled too. Let's look at the roof detail. We can see here there's a fan modelled. All the things on the roof are just moulded and are not separately fitted, and of course the fan does not rotate. Here there is a horn, but there should be two horns, but there's only one, which is a serious defect. At the underneath we can see there's quite a lot of detail, but of course you wouldn't see this detail when it's on the track. You can see the standard method that Bachmann uses for picking up power from the track. This is the dummy car, which is almost identical to the power car. We will take this round and have a look at it. You'll see here there are the bars across the windows here, which featured in the Conics era. That's the toilet. Again, the same detail as on the power car. This, I think, this red line here denotes the first class. It's all non-smoking too. Let's look here. You can see here there is separately fitted handrails for the driver to get into his cab. Most of it is actually not separately fitted, it's actually moulded, but the moulding is to a very high standard. It's the standard Bachmann conductive coupling. To fit the coupling you have to put the train upside down so you can see to do it, otherwise you can't see to do it like that. And that is fitted. It's actually quite easy. Once you've fitted it, you just turn the train back up the other way. The train onto the track using a ramp. It's slightly easier to do that.